Hey everyone, this is a quick little video to say that I'm very happy that I have once again been accepted into the creator program on YouTube. So that means we can monetize the content here, which is a big win, and it certainly encourages me to produce more video content for YouTube. And I want to hear from you guys what you want to see more of. I have access to some of the latest and greatest technologies, from phones, drones, you name it. I love technology and I love sharing that with you. So if you've got questions and comments, I want to hear them, and I want your suggestions for video and what we can do in both the long form content and the shorts on YouTube. I'm certainly now incentivized to do much more in this space. And yes, there's still going to be written content on techau.com.au. But in terms of video, I think I can certainly share more on YouTube and do more in that space. So just sharing a bit of news today. I'm very excited, and as my daughter would say, make sure you like and subscribe. She's pretty funny. She hears me say that from time to time, and then throws it back to me. So that's awesome. But yeah, now you can actually subscribe, turn on monetization, and I hope that you'll support me, and that means that I can bring more content to you. Cheers, guys.